Alright guys, Touchdown75 here doing a dual blaster box break for Donruss basketball 2019-2020. Here it is, one autograph for Mem card. Hopefully get that guy's auto, that'd be sick. Blaster exclusive hollow orange laser and hollow purple laser parallels. That'd be so sweet to get a nice auto of Zion. Or even a Ja or an RJ. So a lot of packs in these. Wow. Lot of packs in these. 88 cards, 8 cards per pack, 11 packs per box. So that is stacked. 11 freaking packs too. Looks like we got a mem card. No auto. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then 11 with the big mem card pack there. Oh well, so we didn't get lucky with an auto. Hopefully we get some cool inserts. Alright, who do we got? Ricky Rubio, Jimmy Butler. Got great expectations of Nasir Little. Nikhil Alexander Walker. Cody Martin. So you get like 2 rated rookies per pack for the most part. Carl Anthony Towns looks like we got an insert. Dejounte Murray, Mitchell Robinson. Nice. That's cool. It's not numbered, but it's a rated rookie. I will take that. Thank you very much. Grant Williams, rated rookie. Eric Paschal, rated rookie. Not bad, not bad. That was a good pack. That was a very good pack. Just checking one thing. Sorry, guys. Couple of rated rookies. Oops, sorry. I hate how they're all upside down all the time. Switching stripes, changing stripes. Another Ja Morant. Ooh. Damian Lillard. Franchise features. Ball. Jackson Hayes. Still no Zion. Still no Zion. He is eluding us. Insert, I think. Fantasy Stars. Al Schofield, Tyler Herro. Tremont Waters. All right. I'd love to pull an auto out of these. It's not going to happen, but Tremont Waters. Jalen McDaniels. Ty Jerome. So that was kind of a mid pack. Steph Curry. Nothing super exciting in that pack. Great expectation, and RJ Barrett. Great expectations, Ty Jerome. And Carson Edwards. Wonderful. Complete. Rui. Isaiah Roby. Okay. Here's our mem card pack. Brandon Ingram. Cam Reddish. Oh, Joe Harris, legally, that's right, I got that. Cam Reddish, that's a nice multicolored patch. That's pretty cool. I wonder if it's player worn or game worn. Player worn because it's a rookie. Not bad. And a Romeo Langford. And a Jalen Howell. No, whatever. Noel. Jalen Noel. A LeBron James in the Lakers uniform. All right. Not so bad. Not so bad at all. Should we crack into the second blaster box? Let's just do it. Something tells me it's going to be another one without an autograph. Seems kind of just as heavy as the last one, but they all seem heavy. Nice if it's all thin packs and no points. A bit thicker than normal pack. Oh, we'll see. Eric Giles, Julius Randle, Kyle Lowry, complete player. Marcus Aldridge. Kobe White. insert. Ugh. Veteran garbage. Cody Martin, PJ Washington. What a waste of an insert. It's a bonus. Those cards are a little dented in the corner there. Legal leaders. Rudy Gobert. Prashal. Alexander Walker. Alright. Amazed my memory hasn't run out on the phone. Franchise features. Grant Williams. Another Jazz. Got a lot of Jazz. Dumboya, Great Expectations, and a Jazz. No Zions. No Zions. Super rare. Donovan Mitchell. Still no Zion. Wow. All the cards we've opened, that's pretty impressive. No Zion. That shows you that it's just that short print. Because we've got like 3 or 4 John Morants. This is like my 3rd Tyler Herro. It's like my 3rd ball. And Zion. Got an insert. Markel Fultz. Thomas Bryant. Who the hell wants that guy? Coca Pizzade, Admiral Schofield. Nice tattoos on your legs. Different. Funny, basketball players never used to have tattoos. Now they have tattoos all over. Which, I don't care. I got a tattoo myself. I'm not... Oh, let's see. Zion Williamson. Damn it, Mo Bamba. It's a purple, too. Is that numbered? No. Oh, shit, it's numbered. Numbered 15. Damn it. We got a rare, super rare purple, and it's of that guy. Oh. Waters. That's a stinker. Still no auto or mem card. Maybe we got an auto in here. I doubt it, but that'd be sweet if we did. Let's see. I Might have gotten an auto. Franchise features. Got Carson Edwards. Something tells me we're gonna be plowing a lot tomorrow. I mean, snow blowing a lot tomorrow. Jalen McDaniels. This very well could be an autograph, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, this could be an auto. I hope it's not a stupid mem card. It probably is, but oh my goodness. Wow. I hope to God we got an auto. Holy shit. That's awesome. Freaking Cam Reddish, rated rookie, number to 15. Autograph. That's sick. That's freaking sick. Not a Zion, but still cool. He's a pretty decent rookie, too. Grant Williams. That's my second. I got a Cam Reddish rookie auto. Oh, and an RJ Barrett in the same pack. I got a Cam Reddish rookie auto in the hobby box that I broke just recently of Prism. Wow, that's awesome. That is freaking awesome. Whew, that's good stuff right there. All right, guys. Hey, that's worth the thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a great evening. Happy New Year.